Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos to your phone, and of course to do this only legally. So first of all, if you want to download your own videos from your own channel, this is pretty simple. You just go to your YouTube studio, which means you may have a YouTube channel, and then you're gonna go to your content, and right here just gonna click those three dots and click save to device. And if you want to download any video from the YouTube channel, you're gonna go to the video you want to download, and after this you're just gonna scroll to the right, and here is a download button. As you can see, this is just for YouTube Premium. There is a 1-month trial, and you can try it for free and download this video, enjoying YouTube ad-free offline and in the background, and also downloading the videos. So this is the only way how you can do this legally. Illegally, I'm not going to show you how to do this because it's illegal, but basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.